Hey, my name's Tristan, and today I'm going to show you a $10 mod that you can do quick and easy for your car. Alright, so everyone has these reflectors on their car. Mine happen to be right here in the front, and I don't really like the way they look. So I bought some vinyl wrap from my local
Michael's
for around $9 or so. You could find it on Amazon for around 10 to 12. But we're just going to wrap these reflectors. The only things you're really going to need for this is the vinyl wrap, an X-Acto knife, a little bit of alcohol to clean the surface before you stick the vinyl wrap on, and maybe a microfiber cloth. I would also recommend using a heat gun to heat up the vinyl before you apply it. So pretty much all you're going to do is you're going to take the vinyl and you're going to get a piece that's big enough to cover your entire reflector. Now we have our piece that covers the entire thing. We're gonna peel back the top, line it up to where it's gonna cover it, and just tack it down real quick. And you can peel back the rest. Don't let it touch the car yet. Make sure you grab the end by the corner. Take the heat gun, I'll put it on a low setting. I heat it so that it sticks nice. Stretch it over. Stretch it in every direction. Until it's nice and clear, you can see the reflector. A little more heat. Stretch. Smooth it out. Now, as you can see, we have the outline of the reflector right here. You're going to take your X-Acto knife and you're going to cut along the edges so that you can tuck in the sides. When you're cutting with the X-Acto knife, you don't want to push too hard because you don't want to go through the vinyl and scratch your paint. So now that it's all cut out, I should be able to take this and just peel it back without any of the inside coming out. So now you just want to tuck in your corners, make sure they're all nice and tight, and you should be all done. Alright, it's getting a little dark now and I still have one more side to do, so I'm just going to fast forward through this one. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the clips I got earlier of me installing my new Thick Whips custom super badges. So shout out to Thick Whips and American Panda for making a great product. They look great, they're easy to install, 10 out of 10. Alright, and now we have fully blacked out reflectors. So if you're planning on doing this, black and white are definitely the easiest cars to do this on. Finding a color that matches the color of your car might be a little more difficult, but not impossible. If you found this video useful, or you just want to follow up with the super build and keep your eyes on what I'm going to be doing with this, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Or just let me know if you're going to do this to your car. So here are the clips from when I installed the custom Thick Whip super badges.